Hello mga ka-YouTube, welcome. Ito uli ang inyong Kuya Nestor. At dahil maraming interesado na naghahanap ng trabaho online, magbibigay ako ng tutorial na makakatulong sa inyong kaalaman at skills para mas malaki ang inyong potensyal at mas marami ang inyong opportunity na kumita online. Marami kasing mga video sa YouTube na nagpo-post ng work na walang skills na kailangan. Hindi naman po masama yun, pero hindi rin masyadong nagtatagal ang mga ganitong klaseng trabaho at di rin kalakihan ang kita. Yung mga trabahong nagre-require ng skills ang may mas malaking bigay at mas sigurado ang kita. At kung ang intention nyo ay mas long-term na trabaho online, kailangan nyo talaga ng tech skills and knowledge. At alam nyo ba na ang daming tools online na pwede nating magamit for free? Mapapadali ang ating trabaho at mas magiging productive pa kayo. Pero marami pang hindi nakakaalam. At yung mga nakakaalam naman ay hindi ito masyadong pinapansin. So, kung kayo ay gustong maging virtual assistant o VA, gusto nyo maging encoder, kung kayo ay teacher or student, o kahit sino pa na gustong matuto, panoorin nyo ang video to. Tanong, anong meron sa SM bakit maraming tao? Well, ang sagot, marami ang nasa SM all in one place. Gusto mo mag-shopping, gusto mo kumain, gusto mo manood ng sine, marami ang magagawa. Practically, kung gusto mong bumili ng kung ano-ano, nandun na lahat halos. So it's an all-in-one place. Alam nyo ba na ganun din ang Google? It's an all-in-one place for the most powerful tools there is available on the internet. So kinonsolidate lahat sa isang place yung mga tools na kakailanganin nyo to make your work easier. Hindi lang naman ang Google ang gumagawa nito, but when it comes to this, sila yung powerhouse. Sila yung nangunguna. And today, I want to show you kung ano tong mga tools na to that are available at your fingertips. Kaya ang susi lang naman ay magkaroon kayo ng Gmail account. So pag nag-sign up kayo ng Gmail account, yung mga YouTubers dyan, right away, you can create a YouTube channel kasi yun naman yung requirement. Pero hindi lang yon yung nagkaroon kayo pag nag-sign up kayo ng email. You already have at your fingertips the most powerful tools there is available. Okay, so let me show you. Ito yung aking email account. And if you go right here, I'm gonna click this. Makikita natin yung mga available tools already. Ito, kukunti pa lang. There's more. But what I want to show you today is a consolidation of some of the tools inside your Gmail account. Now if I click here, this one here, Google Drive, it's gonna take me here. Punta tayo rito. Now within Google Drive, you will have access to a lot of the tools available dito sa Google. And by the way, Google Drive is online storage na nagkakaroon kayo, and 15 gigabytes yung capacity na meron kayo for free pag nag-sign up kayo ng Gmail. And this is just for the free account. Kung premium account, of course, mas malaki pa yung storage capacity. But 15 gigabytes is already a big space. Last year, may isang nanay na halos mangiyak-iyak. Graduation nung anak niya, at hindi niya makunan ng video dahil wala nang space dun sa kanyang phone. So tinatanong ko bakit nag-hysterical siya. Sabi niya, hindi ko makukuha ng video yung anak ko, wala nang space dito sa phone ko. So tanong ko, meron ka bang Gmail account? Sabi niya, oh, sige, buksan mo. So binuksan niya, kinopya ko ng mga files mula dun sa kanyang cellphone dun sa Google Drive, and we freed up some space. So tuwang-tuwa siya dahil nagkaroon siya ng free space para makuha niya ng video yung anak niya. Okay, so isa lang yan. But anyway, let's take a look at this. Dito sa section na to, new, you would see here the available features already added into your Google Drive. Pareho lang yung nandito. If you click my drive over here, you would see the same things. Okay? So, first, yung meron tayo rito is Google Docs. So, here, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, these are all productivity tools. And ang equivalent niya, itong Google Docs yung Microsoft Word, Google Sheets yung Excel, Google Slides yung PowerPoint. Now, if you already use them, pretty sure meron na kayong basic knowledge kung paano gamitin yung mga yan. But let me just show you one thing that is different with Google Docs. Okay? And since you access this inside your Google Drive, right away, nababackup yung files nyo doon. Kung ano man yung document na ginagawa nyo, na save na siya doon sa Google Drive. You can also use this offline. Pwede yung iset na gamitin offline, but mas maganda pag ginagamit natin online. So, pretty much like Microsoft Word, pwede yung gamitin to for typing documents. But it's more than just a word processing tool. Ang kagandahan nito, I think, in my opinion, this is way much better because meron siyang feature na pwede tayong mag-download ng mga add-ons. Kaya dito, meron siyang add-ons dito, but you can get more and install kung gusto nating i-enhance yung capability niya. Right? That's the power of Google Docs. And right over here, by the way, kung kayo ay mabagal mag-type, marami kayong kailangang i-type, there's a feature here under Tools. It's voice typing. Okay? So, pag-click nyo yan, you will see this microphone over here. Click nyo lang siya. Okay? And then, begin speaking into the microphone. Tapos, i-type nyo yung sinasabi nyo. Okay? It's much more intuitive pag English yung ginagamit natin. Okay? Ita-type nyo ng maayos, especially pag maganda yung ating pronunciation tsaka diction. Okay? Ayan. So, hindi lang yan ang feature. Now, let's say you're doing research. Kung kayo ay estudyante, kung kayo ay teacher, nagre-research kayo, still under Tools, you see this one right here, it says Explore. Okay? When you click Explore, it's gonna get you a search box on the right side where you can actually do a Google search just like what you do in the regular Google search page. Let's say I'm gonna research on, let's say, dropshipping. Alright, it's gonna give me the results right over here, and kung ano man yung gusto kong hanapin, I can just right away put into the document. Kung gusto ko ng images, it's really simple. If, let's say I want to put this, click ko lang, drag and drop. I already have that added into the document. So that's how convenient using this, kaya magiging productive kayo. Pag na-master nyo to, it has a lot of features similar to Microsoft Word. Spell check, grammar, pwede kayong maglagay ng add-on ng thesaurus, dictionary. It's really, really convenient to make your job faster. Okay, and that's just Google Docs. By the way, inside Google Docs, you can insert spreadsheets na ginawa nyo sa inyong Google Sheets and some other productivity tools na available. Yung Google Slides na equivalent ng PowerPoint. Kung ano man yung ginawa doon, you can embed it here. So, it's pretty easy and convenient. You can also use this for collaborative work. Even yung mga ibang tao, as long as they have access to the internet, gusto nyong bigyan ng permission to collaborate with you, working together on a certain document, pwede nyong gawin yon. It's really important. Minsan ito ginagamit ng mga employers to work with their virtual assistants. Okay? Binibigyan lang sila ng access. Alright, now next, let's take a look at yung, by the way, Google Sheets is like Excel, sabi ko kanina, Google Slides, but what I want to focus on today is Google Forms. And kung kayo ay teacher, you want to create questionnaires, test questions, forms. This is a really, really powerful and easy to use tool. Kasi if you look at the toolbar over here on the right side, kung konti lang yung inyong gagamitin, it's gonna let you already accomplish, create a form, a questionnaire, a survey form, kahit ano pa yung gusto nyong gawin dyan na forms ay nagagawa nyo. And the good thing about this is you can print this sa regular printer. Okay, na, yun yung magiging output nya. You can output it to a PDF file. Pwede nyong i-embed to sa website. Now, ang mga employers ng mga VA, sometimes they would let them change something on their website na mag-embed ng mga spreadsheets, mag-embed ng mga forms. If you know how to use this and binigyan kayo ng permission, you can just do this easily. Okay? It's really, really simple. You can explore further. For these purposes, hindi ko madidiscuss lahat ng detail, but if you would like me to teach you a step-by-step process kung paano gamitin itong mga tools na to, then I'd be happy to make a tutorial for you. Okay? Now, another one that I want to show you is yung Google Sites. By the way, Google Drawings ay parang yung drawing na naka-embed sa Microsoft Word, yung tools doon. Sabi ko nga kanina, pwede kayong magdagdag ng add-ons dito. You can do that as well with Microsoft, but I think it's much more convenient dito sa Google. You have Google Maps, kaya alam nyo na yan. Google Jamboard ay para siyang whiteboard. Pwede kang gumawa ng kung ano-ano. Like, nagdo-drawing ka freehand sa whiteboard. It's the same idea. Okay, so ito namang Google Sites. Well, actually, this is a very, very good tool here kasi pwede kayong gumawa ng website or e-portfolio. Way back, kung gagawa ka ng website, you have to have at least a basic knowledge of coding. Ako, as a programmer and a tech support specialist dati, I can do coding. And ngayon, you don't need to have coding skills to create a website. Kasi, ngayon, you can just export a whole website, a whole page, or blocks. Lahat template na siya. That's why it's easy to create a website. And you can use this to actually learn how to create a website. In today's technology, alam nyo ba na pwedeng makagawa ng functioning website in just a matter of 1 hour, 2 hours? Basta kompleto na yung concept, available na lahat yung concept ng website kung paano siya tatakbo. Yung pag-design sa kanya is really very easy. Marami ng plugins na available na pwedeng gamitin. So let's take a look at this Google Sites. Alright. Okay, it's a little bit slow, so bear with my internet connection. May tampo ngayon sa akin to. Alright, come on. A little faster, please. Precious ang time, bilis-bilisan. Okay, so let me just demonstrate to you how easy this is. Right over here, okay, this is already a template na pwede nyong pagsimulan. Let's say walang kwento. Ayan, pangalan ng website ko dito ay ilalagay natin my website. Alright, so you can change the font over here. Ikaw mong center, you can insert a link, you can delete it kung ayaw mo, you can change the font. Right over here, I can add a logo. I just click this one here and upload a picture kung meron akong logo already available. Click that. Let me just try this one and let's see kung ano yung magiging output. Alright, ayun. And then I can change, or I can put an image background para hindi siya ganyan ka plain. Upload lang uli ako ng photo. And then, okay, let's use this one. Open. You can, pwede nyong palitan tong header type niya. Iba-iba yung pwede nyong gawin as an option. So you see, meron na. Now, you can create pages and later on edit mo siya page by page. This one is your home page. Pwede kong magdagdag dito kasi dagdagan ko ng let's say this is an e-commerce store. So lagyan ko siya ng shop. Okay, done. And so gagawa siya ng shop page dito. Pwede nating i-edit later on. Okay. Bagal lang yung connection ko ngayon. Pagpasensyahan nyo na, may topak. Pwede kong dagdagan uli pagkatapos. Come on. What is going on? Huy! Ayun. Alright. Say, dagdagan ko rin ng blog. Okay. Tapos dagdagan ko ng About Us, yun, done. Okay, tingnan nyo dito sa taas. So meron ng home, meron ng shop, meron ng about us. So i-edit nyo na lang per page, lagyan nyo na lang ng design. So balik tayo sa home, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga tools na pwedeng gamitin. So here, balik tayo sa home. Dito where it says insert, dito sa taas, ito yung mga available tools na pwede nyo gamitin. Gusto nyo mag-insert ng text box, images, mag-embed ng link, kumuha ng file sa Google Drive nyo. Ito yung mga layouts. Kunyari dito sa baba nito, gusto kong magdagdag ng element na i-edit ko. Kung bago gawin yun, lagyan ko ng divider. Ayan. Ito yung para malagyan lang ng space yung bawat ano nito. Okay. Ayaw makisama. Mabagal kasi yung connection ko. Alright. Yan. Kung gusto kong maglagay ng picture, click ko lang to. Pwede akong mag-upload. Dito pwede akong maglagay ng text. Okay. So, madaming pwedeng options dito. So, this is how simple it is to create a website. Alright. Saan siya na mabagal lang yung internet connection ko. And here, you can also change the theme. Let's say gusto kong gamitin to para may circle yung ano. Ayun, yung title ng page ko sa taas. Okay? Ayan. So, nagiba na siya. Ganyan lang kadali, mga kaibigan. And, again, you can put in table of contents depending kung anong klaseng page. Pwede kayong maglagay ng button na i-click. Then divider na sinasabi ko kanina. You can put in a YouTube video kung meron kayong naka-upload sa video sa YouTube at gusto nyong i-link dito. Ito yung gagamitin nyo. Okay, ilagay nyo lang yung link kung saan. You can put in a calendar. Okay, you can put in documents, yung forms na ginawa nyo, yung Google Forms, yung Google Sheets, yung Google Docs, charts. You can use it dito. So that's how easy it is to create a website. Palit-palitan nyo lang yung templates dito. Like yung nilagay ko kanina. If I click this one here, pwede kong mag-upload ng image, ganon. So, ganon lang siya kadali. Ayan, magdagdag ng text dito. Kung gusto kong lagayan ng text, ganon lang siya kadali. Mabagal lang mag-update tong, ayan, andun na yung picture. So, sorry. I hope you learned something here. It's easy. If you just play around with it, matututo kayong gumawa ng website. Ganon kadali. Okay, mabagal lang kasi itong computer ko ngayon. Gawa na dapat yung isang page nito pag mabilis. Kaya lang nakakatamad pag ganito. Alright, so that's it. Possibly I can give you more tips and tutorials next time. That's it, guys. Sorry, my connection is slow today, so I had to cut this tutorial short. Now, kung nagustuhan nyo itong video to, share it with your friends. Kung may gusto kayong i-request na topic for me to discuss, leave it on the comment section. And subscribe na rin. Okay, ring that bell.